I'm like, hey, where's Chapo? I'm like, oh, got spare bedrooms on the low. Hey, where's Chapo? I'm like, oh, I'm asking everyone I know.
I'm letting off shots, it ain't no thing. King of the jungle, homie, OG hits. Roll up on you putos and it's R.I.P. Little Hill Gang, we in the VIP. Tequila con gusano, name my son Luciano. Got my primos on tus primos, meeting up with some Marines. You put your money on the scale if you really do your thing. Mota, coca, heroin, methamphetamine. They still don't know it's me, like the fools that kill Pac and Biggie. They like, look, it's silly, I continue my killings. Dancing like Diddy, hundreds and fifties on top of big ass titties. Fuck Donald Trump, let it be Escobar season, bitch, you know we handle. Front page scandal, putting in work is Mando. I stay dedicated like an Al-Qaeda commando. Free trigger, free trigger, free trigger.
I'm like, hey, where's Chapo? I'm like, oh, got spare bedrooms on the low. Hey, where's Chapo? I'm like, oh, I'm asking everyone I know.
Somebody said it was a chopper, homie. He had to run up with them choppers, homie. Riding in the whip, all works, no breaks. 0 to 100, quick fade, homie. I get that money some way, homie. I pray to see another day, homie. I pull up faster than that race car. We take your money like that bank cord. You a bitch, no name on it. Team full of winners only. All I get is money daily. All I do is work pay. I'm a trap, that's on my life. I'll trap a boys, escape them twice. First I got the money, then I got the power. You can't take that
I'm
from
like,
me.
hey, where's Chapo? I'm like, oh, got spare bedrooms on the low. Hey, where's Chapo? I'm like, oh, I'm asking everyone I know. I'm from the land of the satisfied, but I'm still hungry. Fuck with me, Chapo, man, let's make money. Turn my mind to 10s and 20s into 50s and 100s. El Chapo style, stacks from the floor to the ceiling. I could've went to school, but I thought about it. That's like going for the 2, yeah, forget about it. Rather turn and shoot the 3, I bet you heard about it. Ain't no risk, no reward, just ask Michael Jordan. I ain't scared to die for my motherfucking money. Rather be damned than burning for it's taken from me. Gotta thank God I'm alive and take a breath and keep going. Real trappers feel this and I pray they keep it smoking. Ocean grown genetics is the plug when we lighten up. We out here moving past some customs, but it ain't enough. You can find my bitch cooking, double time whip it up. She whip it up for daddy, extra butter, extra syrup. Oh, I'm asking everyone I know. Hey, where the fuck can I find Chapo? Trigger. Hey, where's Chapo? I'm like, oh, I'm asking everyone.